So this is the night view. It's 7:15 now, and people are just chilling out. We just had our evening snacks. Bonfire is yet to be prepared. Let me take you near to the tents. Now the second tent that you see is my tent actually. I love the lights. Very pleasant evening. That's the driver who's talking on the phone. Those people are just okay. These people are not with us, so wrong people in the frame. There is the washroom. Here it's going to be DJ live after some time. And a beautiful lighting. Please excuse me for the message tones. My loved ones are just not leaving me alone, so I'm blessed that way. I am going to keep you guys posted for more videos. So now I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my evening, and you guys stay tuned. Mabel Rodriguez signing off right from Devkund Waterfalls. Bye.